Hi, I'm Susmita and welcome to Indian Beauty Queen channel. In today's video, I'm going to share everyday simple makeup look under just 100 rupees. This is the most requested video. So, yeah, let's start the makeup. First of all, I'm going to prime my skin by using aloe vera gel as a face primer. It's really very affordable and works as a primer. So, massage it all over your face. Next, I'm going to use a Pond's BB cream. This is one of my favorite BB cream. Just take little amount of BB cream on back of my hand and dotting it all over my face. BB cream is this Pond's BB cream is really very simple and easy to use if you are a beginner, and it blends nicely into our skin. Don't forget to dot it on your neck area also. It is very important to apply on your neck. You can even use any makeup brush or your fingers to blend this. It blends very quickly and nicely into your skin. So here I'm using my fingers to blend it. Take some time to blend it properly into your skin. Next, I'm going to use Spins BB talc as my compact. I'm baking my face with this BB talc. I think this talc is under 45 rupees. I think it's very affordable. If you want, you can try this one. And smell of this is also very amazing. I have secured my hair with a hairband because I have a lot of baby hair. Don't mind about that. And now I'm going to fill my eyebrows using ADS eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is very affordable and it works great. Price of this eyebrow pencil is 50 rupees. While filling your eyebrows, just be very light-handed, otherwise it looks artificial on your eyebrows. After applying with this pencil, just with the help of fingers, just spread it so that it spreads evenly. Next, I'm going to use Any liquid lipstick as eyeshadow, just applying 3 dots and blending it with the help of my finger. Apply it properly to cover your crease area. On top of this, I'm going to use a shimmer dust so that your eyeshadow looks shimmery and glowing. I like the effect. And next, I'm going to use a Stay Quickly kajal. This is my most favorite kajal. It's really very pigmented. I'm going to use the same kajal on my upper and lower lash line. Next I'm going to use Itex Dazzler Mascara. The small packaging of this product is around 50 rupees, I think. It's affordable mascara and works great, but it's not waterproof. If you're a beginner, so you can try that one. Next I'm going to apply a lip balm, Lakme Baby Lips. For lipstick I'm using L18 lipstick, and this is of the shade Promo Pink. This is a pretty pink color. After applying lipstick, I'm going to apply lip liner. Try this one. You will definitely like that effect. It gives nice shape to your lips. So yeah, our makeup is ready. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.